Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to set your WhatsApp profile picture without losing quality. First of all, open the WhatsApp app and head over to the settings. Then tap on your profile name and choose edit to change your profile picture. Now, here's the important part. WhatsApp compresses images automatically, which is why they often look blurry. To avoid this, make sure your photo is already in a square format before you upload it. You can quickly crop your picture in a 1:1 ratio using your phone's gallery editor or a free photo editing app. Next, keep the resolution high. Try to use at least 800 by 800 pixels for your profile picture. This way, even if WhatsApp compresses it a little, it will still look clear. Also, avoid zooming in too much when uploading. If you pinch and zoom on the profile inside WhatsApp, it reduces the quality. Instead, edit and crop the photo beforehand so it fits perfectly. And also, use a PNG image instead of JPEG if possible. PNG files usually preserve more detail and stay sharper after compression. Once you've done this, set your profile picture and you will notice your WhatsApp profile photo stays much clearer and sharper. That's all for today's video. If you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more quick guides.